you're experiencing an installation loop with FIFA 24, follow these steps to resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot and disable the loop effectively. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for FIFA 24. This includes checking your operating system, processor, RAM, and graphics card specifications. Step 2. Clear temporary files. Navigate to your system's temporary files folder. You can do this by typing run in a search bar, then entering %M%. Delete all files in this folder to free up space and remove any corrupted files that may be causing the loop. Step 3. Disable antivirus software. Temporarily disable any antivirus or firewall software on your computer. Sometimes these programs can interfere with the installation process, causing it to loop. Remember to enable them again after the installation is complete. Step 4. Run as administrator. Right-click on the FIFA 24 installation file and select Run as administrator. This gives the installer the necessary permissions to make changes to your system, which can help prevent installation issues. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the above steps do not resolve the issue, uninstall FIFA 24 completely and then reinstall it. Make sure to download the latest version from a reliable source to avoid any corrupted files. By following these steps, you should be able to disable the installation loop and successfully install FIFA 24. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.